Alrighty, I've got my onions, my green beans, and my potatoes onto my Blackstone. Now I'm just using some of this Dano's seasoning, Parmesan blend right on top. Perfect. Now I'm going to add in 4 sticks of butter. There we go. Get all those potatoes out. Look at this gorgeous, super simple recipe we're making. This is going to be a yummy side dish to go with some burgers. We're going to do the burgers on the Blackstone. All of this is perfect. It goes so well together. And that Parmesan Danish seasoning blend. Wow, it's going to be so yummy with all this. I'm just going to get this all tossed together, all mixed up and combined. Of course, you can peel your own potatoes. I just thought today the quick, easy way was getting them in my 6-pound can and adding them to this delicious dish. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. All right, now that we've got this all mixed super well, everything covered in that butter, in that seasoning, I'm just adding some sharp cheddar cheese on top. This is a 2-pound bag, and I'm gonna give that just a little spready spread. We're almost done, y'all. This is the easiest side dish. Cooks up so quick on the Blackstone here. Whoa, this smells absolutely amazing. We're gonna add in some real bacon bits here, just this Hormel kind, right on top. Can't have cheesy potatoes and green beans without bacon bits. Now I'm gonna close my Blackstone and we're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, check that out. That cheese is ooey and gooey. Oh, the only thing left to do is to grab, those onions, those potatoes, those cheesy green beans, that seasoning with our bacon bits on top. Oh my God, y'all, this looks amazing. Y'all, how easy was this? I cannot believe how easy it is. Oh my God, I gotta get some of these cheesy onions. This is gonna be so, so good. It's gonna be hot. Y'all, this is so good. You gotta try it.